this experiment, I will demonstrate the magnetic field I generate by creating a little electromagnet. For it to be done, we only use simple things. We are going to use a special wire called magneto wire, a little screw, some tape, a battery, alligator clips, sandpaper, and some clips to demonstrate the presence of the magnetic field. To build the electromagnet, I put a little piece of tape to make it easier to the wire to go around the screw. I left a little piece of wire in the bottom to make it easier to attach to the battery. It is important to count the number of coils. For example, in this one, I did 80 coils. This will help us for some analysis later. Then when the coils are done, I take the sandpaper and then I scrap the wire in the tips until a shiny part was visible to easier the electric flux. Then with the alligators, I grab the tips of the magneto wire attached to the screw and the positive and negative side of the battery. Finally, we put together the screw to the clips and we will see the phenomena. The screws start to act like a magnet and the metal clips get attached to it. In this next video, the number of coils were 20, and we can appreciate how the power of the electromagnet decreases. Analyzing the information, we can now talk about the Ampere's law. This law states that for any closed loop path, the sum of the length elements times the magnetic field in the direction of the length element is equal to the permeability times the electric current that is located in the loop. In the experiment, we can see that the screw with 80 coils is stronger than the one with 20 coils. The battery was the same, so the current flowing through the electromagnet was the same, but with a different one with more intensity or less intensity, the magnetic field will be proportional.